the Youmask. The mask consists of 3 layers. For the outer layers, we have water repellent properties, which means those virus droplets will roll right off, and it is made of prime grade material, which is 100% recycled polyester. It is flexibility, fabric-free, and good air permeability. For the center layer, we have Q bacterial properties. We are using a technology that can inject the antiviral agents such as benzalkonium chloride (BSC) into the mask, so the bacteria can kill immediately. And we also created extra pocket for further filter insertion. For the innermost layer, we have cooling effect. We use the fabric from Aerism that can disperse moisture, release heat, and move sweat away from skin to keep you cool and comfortable. It is suitable for all skin types and UV protection. And we also come with mask strap and ziplock. Our specialty is we will laminate the plastic ziplock around the mask, and it is PPF free, so it can be resealed and reused.
So in business model cover, we have 9 elements. Next. So the first one is the key partners. So we will cooperate with a few of the companies such as Adidas, Durokimia, MCT, Asahi, Kasei, and Singer. Adidas will provide us a prime grade materials, and Durokimia will provide us a benzalkonium chloride, and MCT Global will provide us cartons, and Asahi Kasei will provide us the breathable raw fiber, and lastly Singer will provide us a sewing machine. So next.
Key actives. So there are 3 parts. First, the purpose of our company is high quality. We also expect user personal design. For channel advice, there are 2 ways: offline and online. For offline, we have in-depth distribution mode. For online, we set up customer service. Okay, next. Our target are office workers and conduct questionnaire to improve users' retention.
So the third part is the key resource. The first one is finance, so we need to get the credit from bank. And second is physical, like sewing machine, van of glory for sending products, experimental equipment and machine, and mini factories for manufacturing and store. Next is intellectual. We need to register in my IPO and gather customer list for sales. And lastly is human, like sewing master, delivery man, secretary, accountant, chemist, sales, marketing, designer, and publicity in our company. So next.
So I will expand on the value proposition. So total got 10 value proposition for our mask. The first one is eco-friendly, and the second one is the sewing function of the mask. And then our mask also got a cooling effect, and it can provide you maintain you a hygienic condition. And our mask is BPF free, where BPF actually is a toxic chemical which can affect health. And our mask can provide you a steam protection and comfortable. And our mask can replace the use of mask storage, as the mask strip can enable you to keep your mask easier by just hanging on your neck. And then our mask is suitable for senior citizens because the mask strip can prevent mask loss. And lastly, our mask is value for money, as we know that a normal daily disposable mask will cost you 50 ringgit for 1 box, but our mask only costs you 75 ringgit, and it can use up for several months.
There are 2 types of customer relationship applies in our business. First is reactive function. So we emphasize on how to react with the inquiries or feedback from customer by answering all the inquiries by customer, leave an automatic message, and report and solve the issues from customer, and provide replacement of goods if they receive a defected goods, and deal with customer. For proactive function, we try harder to engage, keep, and grow our customer groups. We engage our customer or shops, follow our customer from time to time to maintain a good customer experience. Our products serve with user manual, and we retain customer loyalty by maintaining goods and guarantee quality of products.
For channels, there are 2 types of channels. The first one is virtual channels. We will promote our mask through virtual channels such as Facebook, Instagram, and WeChat. We also will sell our masks in local business websites such as Shopee and Lazada. For physical channels, we will rent a small place in high-red people flooring area, for example, airport, bus terminal, shopping mall, and school canteen. For customer segments, we will promote our mask to people with the health problems such as cough, fever, runny nose, lung diseases, and breathing difficulties. We also will sell our masks to workers who work under hot environment, children, people who work in office, and people who work for driving services.
Cost. There are 8 parts in cost. Totally cost 30,000.
For revenue streams, our production streams will produce 1,050 units per month, and the cost per unit is 20 ringgit. The revenue per unit is 75 ringgit. The profit we gain is 55 ringgit per unit, so the margin we get is 73.33%. So that's from us. Thank you.